Another day, another dollar. What's up, guys? It's about leadership. Of course, I'm actually about to head out right now. Today's CPI day. I'm trading CPI. I'm currently holding US 30 and gold as we speak. Right now, I'm heading to the car wash. I'm gonna go link up with my boy Ghost. You know, also, I think I might be checking out the chart as I'm chilling with him there. Obviously, just catching up. He just came back from Mauritius, so I'm gonna be checking out the chart. Just chilling. I'm gonna be trading. He's gonna be doing his own thing as usual. Yeah, and we're trading CPI. So I've got some trades that I'm holding. So I'm not really looking to take any positions unless I decide to fund another account and then trade that one specifically on as the news drop. But the trades that I'm holding on US 30, I think the trades that I'm holding on US 30, I think are good enough. Are good enough. They're actually in the right direction. That's it, yeah. So, and I'm in slight profits. So yeah, shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, man. All those. So let's get into the car wash. You know, this is just how my day is. You know, my boy, I'm trading, putting trades, putting my house. I wanted to take the Jeep, but Kelly doesn't want to give me the keys. I'll take my week, it's not a problem. Just, I'll be sharing with you, so I'm gonna go into the chat a bit later on as we go throughout the day. So, if you guys have an idea, show you also what exactly I'm looking at when I'm show you what I'm looking at on US 30 and why I'm trading. So yeah. Let's get going. Hi, look at this guy, Mauritius boys.
What are you saying, Shay?
You are the tall Hlubi.
Ah, come on, baby. What are you saying?
Look at you, my boy. Look at you.
Yeah, I'm outside,
is that key for me? You know? Is the key? Is the key? This one.
Shout out RCG Markets.
I see you, boys. I see you. Hey.
And we out here, just a young kawash date with my bruela.
Kawash nyat.
Nah, I mean, Shay.
Kawash nyat.
Ash Aurora. You know
Kawash nyat.
Yeah.
Ah, boy, you clean. Boy, why you always this clean, boy?
Ah, boy, come on, Shay.
Escape sauce. You the sausage.
You gave me the book.
You the sausage.
Shay, you gave me the book. You were like, this how you call it. So I'm like, nah, Atlanta, bye.
Hey. No, since we were Mauritius, loads of the numbers I ate. Loads of the my beach.
No, man, I tried, man.
What's up?
This is the Mauritius drip. Hey, my leader.
It's the Mauritius drip, this one.
What you say?
I'm having the Mauritius drip.
Nah, dog. Hey.
It's too much.
Which one is this one, man?
It's a lot.
Hey, he came through with the pink panther, even he said.
Khalid.
Nah, you too much.
Khalid. Dog.
Too much. Nice, bro.
Easy, dog. How's that? I saw that. I didn't care.
This brood is wily. He's wily. Guys, fun fact, nah, actually, crazy story. This brood said, dog, I might call you when you're in Mauritius to say, I'm pulling up, but you didn't, dog.
Hey, dog. Man, I was like,
you had to come through. I was
like, yeah. He scammed you.
I was waiting for that call.
Now I'm looking at you. Nah, this nigga living for real.
For real?
Nah, I'm like, gosh.
So
what do you choose? The Porsche or Mauritius?
I had to come back to the point.
You missed your baby.
Hola.
But yeah, we're outside. So we're in the car wash right now. Waiting for CPI, guys. The CPI is literally at... CPI is happening in exactly an hour from now. I'm holding... It's the whole Rara. The whole of Africa. So if trades running right now, it's CPI day.
You have to match.
We're chilling.
Are you gonna try CPI by your crib, man?
Yeah, we're trying. Yeah, it's gonna be like 10 an hour, so we're chilling. I got I need a Porsche. Stop that thing. Oh, I need a Porsche. Nah, the Porsche is fresh. I got a spot, yo. Now, Bruce are living, no cap.
Nah, you need the Lambo. What do you mean? When are you fetching the Lambo? Guys, when are you fetching the Lambo?
you see now this thing is not like marbles. Now Lambo is a big topic. It's a serious one.
So we just waiting for you, my leader.
Before you start the Lambo, I need a bigger mansion. That's the problem. Like my pocket, like my brother right now is just too filled up with Stampede. Like I need a bigger mansion, probably like 2 acres, man. I need like 2 acres. 2 acres. Bigger mansion, then I get a Lambo. 2 acres. I need that backyard like a fucking drive, I don't know, shopping center type of backyard. Then
so we can come park our Lambo.
Exactly, it's gonna be a Lambo. Lambo rara. Yeah, I know, the Lambo, it's not an easy one, Kavi. You know, it's the Lambo lens, man.
Yeah.
And my crib now is gonna be like, it's like chilling in a shack.
How are you wilding? You wilding, bro. Nah, you wilding. How far is the crib check?
I will land here, bro. Second month now. Checking, we might lock in one crib, but just still playing around. Thing is now, you get the right crib, you don't have the right yard. You get the right yard, you don't have the right crib. But we might have one now.
Huh?
Might have one. Like Rick Ross type shit. Cook! Rick Ross! I don't know. What's up? So yeah guys, actually I was hoping that we would be by the house, Tracy BI, but we're still at the car wash, so quite simple. I'm currently holding trades on the phone that I'm actually recording with right now. So based on, so this is CPI guys, so CPI, remember, keep in mind, it's a fundamental, right? CPI is based on basically forecast and possibilities, or obviously how the dollar behaved or whatsoever, right? Consumer price index. So in that case, when I was checking the forecast, it said that it's a weak dollar, right? So a weak dollar would mean that we are going against the dollar on all aspects. So it'd be, if you're trading USD CAD, then you obviously are selling it. NZD USD, then you're buying it. If you're trading, let me see what else. If you're trading USD ZAR, then you're selling it. You know. However, with the news not too accurate, I'm not too confident with that. What I do see though, is I'm holding buy trades on US30. So I want to see the market actually go up, like spike up on US30. That's what I want to see. That's all I want to see that happen on US30. Right now I'm still currently sitting on entry point. I'm literally on break even as I'm looking at the chart right now. So it's not really complicated, but let's just see how it turns out. We're about 3 minutes away from CPI, and yeah, man, let's see how it actually lays out. I'm looking at yesterday right now, so let's take a closer look there. So this is yesterday, right? And my trades that I have right now running, my entry points around here where price is actually moving. So technically as well, that allows me to actually give this a buy entry. So even if the news come out really weird, we should see this chart actually like give us a good push to the upside technically as well. Just looking at the low there, even if it's not fundamental, but just looking at the low, should see this chart even if it spikes down, but the news, the market should go back up technically. So that's what we're looking out for. So that's what we are more concerned about, more importantly. And yeah guys, so yeah, but let's see how CPI plays out. I will actually continue the video, show you guys how it played out and what trade you could have caught, you know, and how to actually catch the trade again right after the news. So yeah, let's catch up as the day goes. One morning a ghost Hlubi and they just came back from Mauritius. He's in that Barbie pink, you know what I mean? So we are outside, you know what it is guys. It's pushing up, but let's see what happens. This is fucking fundamentals guys. This is fundamentals. Remember, fundamentals are not, I'm not a full-on fundamental trader, therefore I'm a 100% technical trader, but I trade fundamentals obviously to walk away with big cash instantly. I've been doing it for a couple of years now, almost 8 years, so I know the realities of fundamentals, I know how they work, and it doesn't phase us, doesn't scare us. The money I've deposited is money that I'm willing to actually flip, you know, and never know, it all goes well, I just cop a Lambo. I need a brand new mansion. I need a big ass crib, man, with a killer driveway. You know, working so hard to live the life that I've always desired, and we don't stop. When you fuck people say we don't fucking stop. That's how it goes. This is how it's done. Poison, I just shared 64,000 right now from 10K CPI. It's crazy. Put 10,000 rand. Literally, it's mad. I know. Yeah, let's go rock now. Let's move, dog.
Take your piece apart so to like.
Yo, dog, that was crazy.
Eh?
Yo.
You should.
Yeah, dog. Like for real, it's crazy because I deposit 10,000 profit
76,000. Shit.
CPI is mad, guys. Go to welcome back to Mauritius. From Mauritius to South Africa. My nigga got a Porsche. This life, no balance, I'm telling you. There's a Pruella there chilling. Doesn't have Ghost Hlubi. So yeah, guys, just came back home, obviously. Just came from the car wash, chilling with the brews. The CPI today was quite simple, actually. It's very easy to actually maneuver. So I just got up early in the morning. I already had trades running, and my trades were benefiting the direction that I was seeing that CPI would actually drop in. So I was holding gold. I mean, not gold. So I was holding US 30. I was holding buys on US 30, right? And I was like, technically it was a buy. So I was like, okay, if it is a buy technically, then when I looked at the forecast for the news and what the possibilities of how CPI could turn out, I saw that obviously yesterday has to buy, given the fact that we're experiencing a possible weak dollar, right? And how exactly did I get to that buy technically? So I took the buy way before the CPI, you know. So just when I looked at the CPI forecast, it definitely benefited my trade. So in case if I was holding a sell, I would have closed my positions in profit and then took the trade for the CPI and then executed again to continue trading technically. So let me show you guys how exactly I spotted that buy. I'm on US 30 right now, daily time frame. All I did was just zoom in right there. Immediately went to go see where price was playing around over the past week or so. I could see that was the high that it gave us on there. If you look at the screen nicely here, you can see. I don't know. Should I turn a bit more? That's fine. Huh? That's perfect. Okay, cool. So I looked at that high. I'm like, okay, definitely I can tell prices to come go back up and break that high. Then when I looked at the low, I was like, over the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so about 8 days, Nasdaq has been US 30 has been trying to break up back into price. So right after this bounce right here, that came obviously as a triple bottom, because you can see this price goes as far back as the previous low. So that gave me a significant, look, definitely potential buy. The market has to buy up until we break that high there on US 30. Right, that was on daily. Then from there, what I did was went to 4 hours. Initially now in 4 hours, I'm going to lower time frames to try to look for a buy entry point, because I can tell the market's going up. And then adding into my analysis, if I pull a trend line from the highest point to the lowest point, and as I drag it down like that, you can see that there is a breakout right there, you know. But I didn't want to trade based on the breakout. So the very first thing I did now is just started highlighting my zones. That is a low area right there. I want to see the price. I want to see the price break that, sit on it, and continue pushing up. And then obviously there was another low area right there. How the market now moved, of course, technically, right? And then I was looking at one thing only, is that should the price break out of this area, bounce off this area, push back up, it has to push up, come back and sit on the previous high, making it the very first low of the next buy trend on US 30, which would be around this area right there. So the price did exactly that, broke out, gave us a low area, buy opportunities right there on H4, came back down again and gave us another buy chance there, which is about the same price. So right after the market, the change of direction by the chart, as you can see, that if I pull the trend line from the highest point to the lowest point, 30 touches, you can see there's a breakout, retest, price comes back and sits right back in there to go up. So it was quite easy. And then from there, what I did was I went to 1 hour time frame. And then as I went to I'm just move these. So I went to 1 hour time frame, because initially 1 hour I was looking for one thing only. I wanted to see whether after the price had bounced off that low, giving us obviously a nice low buy area, I want to start looking for more buy opportunities on a lower time frame, because obviously H4 in 1 hour cannot work as entry point time frames for a day trader, right? So from here, what I started doing, I went straight to 30 minutes, and then on 30 minutes, slowly as I zoomed in from this low here as the market was going up, I'm starting to see certain lows that weren't visible on bigger time frames, right? So therefore it required me to go to a lower time frame to see these highs and lows in order to catch these strong technical moves. So therefore I then went to 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, I want to work from the low. So I'm going to work from this low. Initially, I'm showing you exactly how I cut the technical buy before it even became anything. So let's do that. So yeah, guys. So basically, what I did was, okay, I'm showing you guys how I cut the entry point on a lower time frame. So I came to entry point like 15 minutes, and I was like, okay, cool. I know that the market is buying based on daily time frame H4 and 1 hour. So I looked at this low. Did the graph actually break that low? It actually bounced off. They gave us 2 lows on that low there. So if I zoom in, you can see the market gave us 2 lows. So at that point, I just came in, dragged my trend line from just this high point right there, looking for a minimum of 3 touches. That's when I know the price is breaking out of that double bottom consistency consolidation. Sorry. So it broke out of there. First touch, second touch, third touch, fourth one it broke out, came back down. After that, I definitely knew that I must start taking my buy entries. So price then, what did it do? Gave me a low area right here. That's the very first buy area. Gave me a buy zone right there. Very first buy goes up, and then it went, just zoom in a bit. And then after that, let's do this. From there, price gave us a low, went up, came back down, gave us another low area right there. That should be the low area right here. Another buy opportunity, you know. And then even if I go to a small time frame like 5 minutes, so that it's a bit more clear. So yeah, zoom out a bit. So you can see the market from there, from that low, from this overall low, it started giving us buy opportunities as it was traveling up. Right. So let me just do this. So I'll zoom in there. So as the market was going up, giving us more buy opportunities. Buy. This is a smaller time frame, so buy, and then as it was pushing, the overall low that I caught was this one right here. So let me just zoom in so you guys can see it. So it's this low right here. So this is the overall thing, that overall low that I caught. You see this low right here. When it was playing right in and out of that low, every time it came back to give me, it went back. Every time it came back for, obviously, every time it came back for a low to give us a buy entry point, all I did was just zoom in. So that's the low that I caught, and then I'd been holding it for like 4 or 5 hours from the morning, in and out of profit, initially. And as I was looking at it, I was holding about 3,000 Rand in profit, and I knew, of course, that I knew definitely that CPI will spike up. When the news come out, it'll definitely shoot up, and then I'll make my overall profit. And that's how I actually flipped my account from 10,000 Rand to 70,000 in about a minute, you know. So that's how I did it. It was quite easy. Right now, I want to catch one trade that's up next. So the next up trade is that the price now after the news. So let me show you how to actually kill it after news. So a price now after the news, that now that the news has happened, price has to come back to where the market was moving. How's it going to do that? It has to sell. So we're looking for short sells on US30 up until the price goes back. So how do we do that? I'm on a 5-minute time frame. As I zoom into the 5-minute time frame, looking at the chart, there is highs and lows in which the graph is actually traveling back down to where the price was before the news. You can see that's a high point right there. That's a high sell area, or the double top. So got a double top. That's a high. The price actually breaks out, goes back up, sitting on the previous low, giving us a new high. Another sell entry point right there that I would have been holding. Price then comes back again, breaks the low, and gives us another high, another sell entry point right there. You can go to 1 minute if you want to see it more clear. So I think there's an entry point right now. Jeez, there's an entry point right now. Okay. And I want to enter this entry and before move it. Okay, cool. Let me just finish off. So as you can see right there, price actually gave us a sell. After that, it pushed down. After pushing down, that's a low. Low becomes new high. The high, it's a selling area. Right now, as we speak, US30 is a sell. Gave us a high, came back down low, sitting on a new high, previous low, as you can see right there, sitting right in the inner low of the previous high. So sell entry points on Nasdaq up until we get here. So what are we expecting right now? Quite simple. From where it's at, it has to move something like that. We'll have to see technically how it plays it out, but eventually we'll actually end up coming back to the overall price. Just do this. So the overall price will then be around about this. So when I see USD actually drop all the way down, when it gets back all the way down there, back into our buy zone, then we take our buy opportunities. At that point, technically you can see Even if you place your trend line, it would have been something like that. So the next buys, we're expecting it right after the price gets to 38,800. That's when we'll start playing around. Right now, we're on a current day to speak. USD is good for a sell as I speak right now. So yeah, guys, today's trading session was quite easy. 100,000 banked from 100,000 banked from just 10,000 rand. I mean, we've made a whole lot more money in crazier trading sessions. But yeah, this is just the ratio trading. We make money because of the knowledge. Make money or you go suffer. Actually, it's still retesting. So I think even after I finish filming, I'll be able to catch the entry, which is a good thing. I want to catch this high right now. It'll be hard. Fuck, this is a crazy high. But yeah, guys, love and appreciate it. CPI was amazing. Trading with the biggest #1 leading in Africa. I always show you guys, like, you can really trade doing whatever. So today I woke up, normal day, went out to go wash my car. I was chilling with my nigga Ghost. He just came back from Mauritius. We caught the entries. I fucked it up as we were driving. And here I'm sharing it with you guys so you have an idea of exactly what we're trading. So yeah, man, this is what it is. There's nothing more to it. This is how we kill it, guys. Hope you guys actually enjoyed this CPI. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me exactly what video you want to see up next. I'm on episode 2 with Maps, episode 2 with Shakes of market breakdown and just learning more and learning other skills and, you know, growing in the industry. Or episode 1 with Emma. So tell me which other traders you want to see. I'm trying to get Ninja on as well. I'm trying to get Jason on as well. Stylish Keys, Dr. Martin. Cello's gonna do one as well. Rhea Sis is doing one as well. King Kelly's doing one as well. Isaac Easy is doing one as well. So expect a whole lot more episodes when it comes to trading with, you know. Sorry about that. I was just thinking about this interpret as I'm looking at it. So expect a whole lot more trading episodes. And that whole series where I'm doing episodes, it's called the Trader Series. So I visit traders in their homes or wherever they're at, and then we chop on the market. So I expect a whole lot more there. I want to do it like a whole lot of traders. So I hope this knowledge is actually helping you guys grow and become more profitable, man. Keep watching the videos, keep sharing with the people. This is all free knowledge. It's all free game. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, till next time, from me, Leadership, the biggest on the continent. It's been love, man.